So as you can see, this laser machine is working pretty fine. We have two of them right here. This one was bad and the laser was going into the lenses of the camera, iPhone cameras, and it was giving us so much headache, and we have to cover it with something. Now it's fixed, and what we do here is just open this machine, and right now it's working pretty fine. But we open the machine and we just replace this whole unit and also this laser module completely. We change this part and now it's working pretty fine because this one was the bad boy. Actually the laser is here, as you can see, fiber coupled semiconductor laser diode, and that's the model number. And this is the blue wire, it's optical wire, and it's going right here, and that's the power for the, I think that's the reflector and the fan, and from here it's coming out there. And then we have this head, and the laser is coming from that place and going down to the phone. So this was doing the bad job, and now we replace it. It's working pretty fine. So thanks for watching the video and subscribe for more videos, because after changing we also tested it. As you can see, this the circle is not pretty round, it's giving us the oval shape, and this side is bigger than this side, so we have to fix it everything. Now it's working pretty fine, and even on different models now it's working pretty good. And this was just a test template, and this was the module that we have replaced, and these two wires coming from to the wire supply. These are the supply wires, and this is for the phone computer that is coming to communicate with the PC. That was inside it. Everything is, the PC is inside it and everything inside it, and it's working. So thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for more future videos.